Good morning, everybody. I am standing in our tent build, and that was supposed to be my goal today, was get you guys a tent build video. And I started going through footage and looked at some old stuff that we had taken from our drone, and I just started to chuckle. And so I wanted to do a little escape video, different than what we normally do, but I wanted to kind of give you guys an idea about the learning curve we've gone through with YouTube. So basically, we both have our own jobs, and this has been done off the side of our desk, and we're trying to make it work and doing our best. And the humor along the way is what really got me this morning. So I'm going through old drone footage, and we quickly realized after we got our drone that we couldn't fly it anywhere near our house because of the airport restrictions. So we found ourselves out in the middle of nowhere, got the drone flying, and found longhorn Texas cows. Who knew? In the Great White North. Anyway, so I wanted to show you guys this and let you know that the learning curve for YouTube is huge, and I think we'll be continuing to learn for a very long time. And this was one of those situations where we realized that a lot of YouTube watching actually helped us in what we were doing. And about the only bit of advice I can give to anyone who is starting out would be, watch YouTube and just learn from what you see. So anyway, stay tuned, watch along, and see these longhorn cows that made me chuckle this morning. And this week I'll be getting a first part tent series build off to you. So stay tuned and watch, subscribe, and like. Thank you. Have a great day.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.